Hey, this is Michael. Okay, right here I got a 2002 Dodge Neon. What's going on is after like 2 hours of driving, it overheats. So what I did was I took all the fluid out. Remember to recycle it. Don't let it go on the floor or nothing because of the pets. And then I put this stuff in here. I let it idle for 2 hours, the car. Perfect. Clean the whole system out. So today I flushed the whole system. I took all that stuff off. I put clean water in it. Ran it. Boom. I waited 1 hour, right? This is the best stuff right here. And fresh. I already cut it. The other one is right there. So 50% I put there and 50% here. And then I use, let me show you guys. I use baby water. Okay? You don't want to put water with chlorine and all that stuff in there because all the seals and stuff you have. Okay, now check it out. Look how easy it is. This bottle right here of water is 16.9 ounces, right? And this thing has 33.8 ounces. And because the Dodge Neon has 6.5 quarts, that's what it holds of water in there. You're going to use half of this stuff right here. So just fill this right here all the way up. After you shake this, after you open it, you shake it, you fill this up. That's what you're going to pour in your car. Right now, there's no water, no nothing. I drained the whole system. Let's see. I'm going to put half of this. Well, three quarters of it in there right now. And then I'm going to put half of this bottle. Remember? Fit it here. In there. And then I'm going to top it off. Boom. And if it's going to need more, I'm going to take it. Put it in there. And let me tell you something. I don't need to read the instructions. This stuff works. This works. And look at the good stuff of this. You can mix it whatever cooling you want. Yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, green, silicone base, or whatever. You can just use it. This thing works. And then you just follow the easy instructions that I'm not going to read to you because it's super hot. And that's it. It works. This right here, I will rank this #1 in the world because I have used this, especially on Cadillacs with the 32 valve no start crappy engines that they're mad for overheating. This baby right here has fixed those cars for me. And Dodge Neon, they're known for head gasket blowing. The head gasket on this one is just a tiny little hole because I can see little bubbles but not much. Remember, it takes 2 hours to overheat. And brand new cap right there with 16 pounds of pressure. You see it right there. And I put because it's summertime, it's super hot, thermostat goes right here. I'll show you guys. You take that screw right there and the screw right there off. Take the clamp off this hose, and this is the housing for the thermostat, and you just pull it on. The thermostat is right there. It's super easy on this car. And let's see what else I gotta tell you guys. Yeah, that's it. Put a new thermostat in it. I prefer the 185 degree one. The one that opens when it hits 185 instead of the 195. And that's it. I put the fresh oil. I just did the oil change. I just made a video and show you guys the best oil that I use. Best filter and everything. After I do all that, I'm going to get my air compressor and I'm going to blow all these leaves. Because, well, I live on a farm. You guys know that. So, that's it. I mean, the car will be fixed. You don't have $1,000 or $2,000 to change the head gasket on one. That right there is the best. The best that you can buy. And you see how the sun has just pulling it out, and my phone is like all white and stuff, the screen. But yeah, guys, that's all you got to do. Boom, problem is fixed. Enjoy your car. Your car will last forever with that stuff. As long as you change the oil, and use the best. Always use the best. I don't care. Power steering fluid, the most expensive, the best. Go on Google, put the best. Don't use the cheap stuff because that stuff just destroys your whole car. And then you're going to have to call a mechanic like me. And let me tell you, I charge $1,500 just to change a head gasket on it. And man, why? Because you got to pull out the whole top of the engine. You got to pull out, you got to pull out all this right here. You got to get the lid off. You got to pull all this off, all the hoses, all that, the battery, filter box, I mean, everything. No way. 35 bucks, put that liquid in there. Bam, the car is fixed. All right, this is Michael. Remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any problems with any type of car, just send me leave it in the comment right there. And I will go ahead and look it up for you and tell you what you need to do. People always do it. They call me, they send me message, and I fix cars. Look at my comments. From Russia to Korea to, man, I will fix cars in Mars if they have cars. That's how good I am. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and remember, have a blessed day. The law of attraction. Boom. Soon I'll be a millionaire. My Lamborghini will be in my mansion. All right, this is Michael.